Yes, hello everyone, you're welcome back to today's video. If this is your first time of joining this page and this channel, you're super welcome. Feel free to like, download and share this video. This page is all about effective product recommendations. I try as much as I can to recommend what works. Okay, I also have my flaws. I'm not perfect at all, so if you know anything that can help to improve all of us, kindly feel free to drop it in the comment section. Let's help each other grow. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of acne, DIY for acne. Okay, how to get rid of acne and have a very beautiful skin and a very smooth face, okay, without spending so much on artificial products. Remember that everything organic takes a lot of time and consistency, and trust me, if you're consistent with this remedy, you're really going to be happy and you're going to be so glad that you came across this page. You're going to be so glad that you came across this channel. So I'll be introducing the products we'll be needing this morning to do a DIY for acne. Okay, the first product you'll be needing is your nutmeg powder. Yeah, a lot of persons are going to be wondering if it's a normal nutmeg that we use for cooking. Guess what? When I learned about this this whole procedure, I was also carried away. I was wondering if I'm going to use the nutmeg I use for cooking. I wanted to buy the nutmeg and grind it, but they said no, it's not the same nutmeg. This nutmeg is an organic nutmeg. Okay, so if you're wondering if you have to use that same nutmeg, no, this nutmeg is organic and it's kind of in the powdery form. It doesn't even have seed. It's very light. It's very like it's very light. Okay, this is it. This is nutmeg powder. Okay, and then the next product you're going to be needing for this is your aloe vera. Aloe vera, we all know the very importance of aloe vera in skincare, so make sure you get your aloe vera to keep it in your house, especially if you like all these natural remedy stuffs. So just get your aloe vera. This is it. And then the next product you're going to be needing is your lemon juice. Yeah, a lot of persons are going to ask me, how did I make this lemon juice? Don't worry, I've already dropped a video on how you can get this lemon juice. All right, so I'm going to show you how to mix these products together. The first thing you're going to be needing is your plate. That's it, your plate. So then first thing, I have to pour my lemon juice. So next thing, I'm going to add a little quantity of my nutmeg powder. You see how flat, how smooth this nutmeg powder is. A lot of persons are going to be wondering if it's a normal nutmeg that we use for cooking. Guess what? When I learned about this whole procedure, I was also carried away. I was wondering if I'm going to use the nutmeg I use for cooking. I wanted to buy the nutmeg and grind it, but they said no, it's not the same nutmeg. This nutmeg is an organic nutmeg. Okay, so if you're wondering if you have to use that same nutmeg, no, this nutmeg is organic and it's kind of in the powdery form. It doesn't even have seed. It's very light. It's very like it's very light. Okay, this is it. It's not the normal nutmeg powder. It's not the still nutmeg powder. This is organic nutmeg. Okay, so look at it. I just added this. I'm just going to mix it. It's still that I'm going to mix it. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to add my aloe vera. The first thing I did was adding my lemon juice into the plate, and then I put my nutmeg powder, a little quantity of nutmeg powder. Then the next I'm going to do is I'm going to add my aloe vera. So I'm using very little quantity of aloe vera because I have other things to do with it. I wish I can Why is that? I don't know. So I just had to mix it thoroughly, and then I'm just going to apply it on those areas I have black spots. Where do I have black spots? I think I have black spots here. Did you see that? So that's the first thing I'm going to do, is apply it on the areas I have black spots. So you have to do this, okay? I have to do this every evening before sleeping. I don't want to, because when you use lemon, it's not good to use lemon and go under the sun. It's not good, okay? So these are the places I have black spots. I'm just trying to apply this here, okay? Just apply it on those areas you have the acne, okay? So then after that, you have to wait for at least a few minutes, depending on how long you can. But all that matters is your consistency. Try as much as possible to be doing it every night before bed, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to follow my page, Victoria Vick channel, on Facebook. Don't forget to like this page, Victoria Vick channel, and also subscribe to Victoria Vick channel on YouTube. I love you guys. See you next time.